So you hit the record? Okay, all that's going. We're gonna make some fucking pasta, alright? Today, I'm talking to this one.
I don't know which one.
Okay, so this is a new episode of IndiCon Kitchen, and I'm not in my kitchen. I'm not even in my home. I don't live here.
No, you don't.
I'm at Eve's place.
This is where I live.
And today, we're gonna make some pasta from scratch, okay?
That's the gag.
Yeah.
From scratch.
I've never made pasta from scratch. I'm scared.
I've done it twice. How do you feel going into this?
Going into this, I've never made pasta by hand or from scratch, so I don't know what's gonna happen. And then, oh fuck.
Oh my god.
So fuck, I'm making a mess.
And then you're just gonna go for it with your vodka.
One shot of vodka.
One shot of vodka. How much faith do you have in me?
Eve, I'm putting all my faith into you on this because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm a pilgrim on Plymouth Rock right now.
Putting all your faith in her a good idea?
Hi, I'm Eve. Oh, hello.
How long have you known Nelson?
I've known Nelson since I was a freshman in high school, which at this point is a good 11 years. If that ages us at all.
Yes. Wait, are those spice magnets?
Those are spice magnets.
What the fuck? Some people would tell me putting all my faith in Eve wouldn't be a good idea, but you know, we've been friends for over a decade, okay? There's gotta be room to have faith. I have faith. I'm not a religious man, but I have faith in this pasta.
Alright, 9 egg yolks.
Now separate some eggs.
I'm just gonna use my hands. Alright, that's 3. I have already broken several yolks. I think this is just gonna turn into a weird fetish egg yolk separating video.
Yeah, I was thinking, I was like, wow, there's a woman in this video, so people are gonna watch it. And then this happens.
Nelson, you do some.
I'm not doing any of this. Alright, I'll do one.
There's 5 in there. We need 4 more.
Okay, I'll do one. I'll separate an egg.
That's dish soap. This is hand soap. You never know where the soap is.
Okay, you're never gonna let me let that go.
Oh, absolutely not.
So Eve keeps lotion next to the soap.
It's not lotion. There's never been lotion by our soap.
And I was on acid, and I was like, wait a second. So I don't know which is which. Eventually I found it, but I made the mistake of telling my friends about things that happened to me.
You need 4 more.
Oh, God. Oh, this is so fucking gross, man. I'm not a fan of this.
1.
The egg stuff was gross. Like, separating eggs, it's gross. I put the whole egg into everything. Oh, ew! Fuck, I'm not a fan of this. Do we have to make pasta? Can we make like a casserole or something? I hate the feeling of eggs in my hands.
Okay, how many did you put in?
How many?
How many egg yolks? Answer my question.
This is gonna be 3.
I believe in you. You can do 1 more.
Oh God, get this off! Oh my God! I didn't like any of that.
This just in. Nelson is a pussy.
Today, I'm letting go. I'm letting, you know, I'm sorry I'm putting my shoes on your couch.
I absolutely hate you for that.
Oh well, do they blend in with the couch?
9 egg yolks. So that disaster is over. We're gonna use our little kitchen scale right here. 170 grams of flour.
Jesus. Alright, well, I would put my feet off the couch, but I look like a small man when I do this.
You do look like something. Your pants disappear.
Alright, so now we're gonna fucking beat some eggs.
No, we're not there yet.
We're not, fuck.
Small man, large couch, dude.
Yeah, small man, large couch, coming this Wednesday to ABC.
So, the second flour we're adding 55 grams of semolina durum flour.
It's more yellow.
Yeah, that's the kind of
Yellow.
flour it is. It's like that because it is.
No, fuck you, Eve. Alright, I don't need this.
So what we're gonna do now is make a well.
How do we do that?
I've cleaned my counters thoroughly. You can do this on your counters. Do not be afraid. You just dump it. So then you make a nice as well.
That's a solid hole.
You need a solid hole for this. Scramble our eggs up. Our egg yolks.
We're gonna put those eggs in that solid hole.
Put your little eggy waggies in there. We also need a tablespoon of olive oil.
I bought olive oil. For
I don't
this,
like
but
your olive oil.
apparently my olive oil wasn't good enough. I'll take that shit home. I'll
Do
use
it. Yeah, take it home. And 3 tablespoons of water.
Bought some perfectly fine olive oil.
Your olive oil was not extra virgin, so first of all, you brought me some harlot ass olive oil.
You see, this is a problem. You know, women against women. You know.
Bitch, I am the most feminist human being you know. And here comes the YouTube comments. Your friends are feminist. Okay, so then Nelson, I'm gonna have you do this in a second.
Fuck. Oh, I was hoping to just not do anything this whole video. I love pasta. I can make pasta in my sleep. Can I make it from scratch? Fuck no.
So you just kind of like take some of this and you'll mix it in.
I have to use my hands for that.
In a second, once you like bring it together, kind of do it until
Eve, how do you like your eggs?
I like my eggs scrambled soft with cheese or like runny. I like a runny yolk.
I do like a runny yolk, like over a breakfast bowl. Oh
Same.
shit, you're getting in there.
I just decided to go for it.
Yeah, good. I didn't want to.
Why am I doing all of the work right now?
What? That's not what's happening. There you go. Whoa. Okay, so you're really getting in there.
I'm doing it so wrong.
I feel like Guy Fieri right now, where he just like walks into restaurants. He's like over their shoulder. Man, you are getting in there. Right, you should take it right down to Flavor Town. Okay.
You just gotta keep kneading it, hoping.
Dude, fuck it up. Get in there, dude. Fucking give it socks. Go
Dude,
for it.
shut up. So much stuff on my hands. Oh, Chris!
What's happening?
Is this too dry?
Do we need more eggs? How'd you guys meet?
We met
At the
in the airport.
in New York.
We're gonna reference our pasta expert. How long have you guys been together?
Almost 3 years.
It's the best part.
The caffeine addiction. What do we got? That's a little dry. Just a touch.
Should I have some water?
Like a tablespoon.
It's a little dry. It's a little dry.
It's not really wet.
Good. Wet
It'll
is
get better
good.
when you keep kneading it.
Oh my god. That was a good pussy sounded like right there. Just give it a good smack. Ooh.
Okay, I think we're getting better now.
No, this is going great. Especially because I'm not doing anything.
In a box.
Yeah, soon.
So unfortunately, I am in fact doing all of the work.
I'll grate the cheese.
Do you know how to knead?
I am very needy, yes.
That's not what I asked.
That's exactly what you asked.
Do you know how to knead dough?
Oh, well, see, that's not what you asked. No.
Okay, so how you knead dough is you like fold it over and use your like heels of your hand and push. Bring it back.
You got real good technique,
Fold.
Vanzella.
It's in my blood. No one needed to teach me. I just knew.
No one needed to teach you. Got fucking olive oil running through my veins.
I'm 60 to 70% red sauce.
You guys are both Italian, correct?
Unfortunately.
Yes. I'm proud she's not, apparently.
I feel like a grandmother.
Dude, what grandma do you know that doesn't have strong forearms?
That's the kind of grandmother I want to be, is like that Italian ass grandma.
Yeah.
You're just gonna get a lot of me like breathing heavily. Ew, stop.
Yeah, I'll do it. I'll get in there. Alright.
It's getting there.
Ooh. Ooh.
You know what to do, right? You can do it. Yeah. Use the heels of your hands.
Use the heels of your hands.
I was.
I don't know what I'm doing, and I feel like it shows.
We have to do that for 10 minutes.
I could have just bought this in a box. But no.
It wouldn't be as fun.
It wouldn't be as fun. I wouldn't have enough time to get drunk if I fucking bought boxed pasta. How did you feel when Nelson told you he stole your drunk cooking idea?
I was actually a little angry. I felt robbed. I felt like I did not get the credit I
You're
deserved.
invalidated.
Yes. Even though the ideas existed on YouTube since, I don't know, like 2010, it was still my idea.
That's fair.
Alright, because I'd put it in hot water and it would be over. Alright? I wouldn't even have time to get, like, what, am I going to start drinking while the water's boiling? No.
How drunk do you think you're gonna get?
Sometimes when I have the intention of getting drunk, I don't get there, you know, so I don't like to say, oh, I'm gonna get fucked up, because then I try and it doesn't happen, and then I'm mad at the end of the night because I'm not drunk.
I'm about to...
So how drunk do you expect?
I might throw up.
I'm going for an 8 out of 10 on that.
If I black out and throw up at one point, just edit me in.
I'm trying my best. How would you rank my dough rolling?
You're doing okay. I'd rank your dough rolling a solid 7 out of 10.
Oh, kid, that's where I live, dude. Like seven's where I live. Like, I feel like I'm a respectable 7 out of 10. You know, life looks. You know, it's fine. You know, people have left me in comments on the videos. I can take it. I got thick skin.
Are you sure about that?
No, it hurts.
You're not like doing really anything to it, actually.
Okay, then that's, I'm out.
Actually, you did do some stuff to it.
Yeah, you're welcome. It's softer.
Hey, Chris, come here and tell me how you think of this.
It's looking pretty good.
Chris, did you expect to help or did you just want to eat?
No, I just wanted to eat and spectate the sport.
Did you really think that would happen?
No, but you know.
You wanna come eat this, Sammy? Oh, let the tall old man need some dough.
Yeah, you want to knead some dough?
Alright, so
Do you know how to knead dough?
the problem is you guys have all these folds and you're supposed to make a ball.
Is it smooth enough? Christopher,
Oh my
come here.
god.
What?
No, this is.
Is this sexy enough? He's like about to come his pants.
It's looking pretty good.
I would do some whites in there personally.
No, we don't got
It's too watery. It's too watery.
Do you see the
No. I'm admitting it.
So our pasta is finally kneaded into this beautiful silky texture. We're gonna wrap this up in some plastic wrap.
This is gonna be some good ass pasta.
We have to let it rest for 30 minutes. The microwave timer is going.
It's legit. Yeah.
Don't do that.
No, we're doing that.
Tell me how to grate, alright?
You're doing it wrong.
How am I grating cheese wrong?
I don't know, you just are.
What do you recommend people do for the 30 minutes they're waiting?
Clean up.
Yeah, clean up for sure.
Clean up, get your little pasta roller ready.
You know, have another beer. Maybe.
Have another drink.
Oh my god, this is gonna take so fucking long.
It's not gonna take that long, don't be dramatic. Maybe take a nap.
Take a nap.
Here's the thing, this is called a rind. So if you grate it there, you're also grating the rind into your pasta. And we don't want that.
Honestly, this pasta's going great. You know, I didn't have to do most of the work.
Oh my god, what are you doing?
Fucking grating the cheese.
You're like powderizing it. Is that even a word?
I put my whole self into everything. You know, I'm present. I'm right here, in the now. Okay, so the cheese...
The cheese is grated.
The cheese is
We do
grated.
want to get a dagger.
You know, that's how people should live. Be here right now. I got that advice. I heard that advice from Willem Dafoe.
So we have to roll this out.
You sure do. So what you want to do is you want to split up the dough. You don't want to roll the whole
I'm gonna
thing.
split it into two.
We got Grandma's old pasta maker here. Cheese right here.
Don't eat the cheese. We're gonna roll it out on.
Are you sure that's thick enough?
Yes.
Oh, that looks great. Wow.
Right.
Holy shit.
Put a little flour. And then you fold it over. Put a little more flour on it.
Uh-huh, alright.
And then you do this on each level 3 times. How beautiful this is!
Also, don't season your dough. That's weird.
Yeah, don't.
It's weird when I see people seasoning their dough.
You don't need to put you don't need to put salt, pepper, paprika, onion, garlic powder, nothing. You don't season this.
This is your base, alright? So this thing cut the pasta as well?
It will. So these 2 rollers have like actual like cut. This looks really good. I'm actually really proud of us.
That does
so
look
far.
really good. This is wholesome content,
And
alright?
then yeah.
So how's it going so far?
I think it's going great. Better than I expected. This is going way better than ever. Shit. So we're gonna go
You
down.
could literally hang this like a disco ball.
Yeah, they're disco balls. So we're gonna take this down from setting 3. the setting 5.
We're gonna turn it up a notch. Yeah.
Gently.
Can we like midwife this pasta?
Yeah.
Like, make sure it's coming out. What's something that's not sexual but feels sexual? This
Pasta rolling.
pasta rolling. It's like, oh my god.
Oh my God.
Meat.
Oh, it's still in there.
Oh my god, look at all these beautiful noodle babies.
This was the best Goodwill purchase I think we've ever had. Beautiful! Alright, we've made pasta.
Yeah, we've red sauce or white sauce.
Red sauce preferably, but I don't want to go to the store, so we're making white sauce.
Fair enough.
Red sauce, white sauce, or green sauce. I'm a white sauce guy. I'm a real white sauce guy. I like the. Did you say typical?
That's on. We are cooking.
Can you like actually?
Nelson.
I'm gonna put this whole stick of butter in this.
Yeah, you have to do that and however much milk it says on that recipe.
Eve.
Yes, wrong way.
You need more.
Wrong way.
The butter has
So
to go
we're
in front of the
gonna
hands.
Like 2 extra tablespoons.
Okay.
So
We
it
add a little
focuses
extra
on the
fat,
butter.
no cream.
Don't put that on.
That's why you put the extra butter because it's not
Yeah.
fat.
Do you have like a whisk or something?
Yeah. You know what? If you think that you can make it,
Nelson was a chef.
It was
Just in case you guys forgot.
He doesn't let me forget. Yes, chef.
it's the Italian side.
27% THC, dude.
Oh boy. This is gonna be like that really pretentious show on Vice.
You let it hang out for a little second, for a minute, and then you add the cheese. Oh shit, we should
fuck, I
probably
keep
go.
popping suspenders. You need probably to turn that heat up.
Yeah, it's not even boiling yet. What the fuck?
Turn the heat up, dude.
It's on high.
Put the lid on it.
It is on it.
Put some salt in it. It makes it boil.
I did.
All I keep hearing is criticize, criticize,
You
criticize.
sound like my mother. Okay, I think then add in the cheese. Add in all the cheese.
Yeah. I know how to cook, guys.
Are you
Alright?
sure about that?
My Food Network.
We needed that cheese! You're making my house dirty.
I told you we were gonna fuck up your kitchen. Can you whisk this while I put the stick here?
I've already done all of the work
Oh,
today.
fuck off. Leave it out. You're fine. Oh, that's getting thick. That's getting thick quick. I like my sauce like my bitches. Extra thick. Like, we need it to be thick, but not like too thick.
Okay, that doesn't look bad.
This is good looking sauce, man.
Yeah.
Oh, put that pasta right in the fucking water! Fuck. Look at these suspenders. I fuck in the suspenders. Just, you want to incorporate.
Alright guys, it's taste test time. I'm kind of proud of us.
Holy shit, we just did that. It does look really good.
Yeah, it does look really good.
Right out of the
Like,
pan.
you're touching me, I don't really want you to.
We just made
Yeah.
pasta from scratch. Alright, Chris, we just made pasta.
Alright, let's see how this is. It looks good. Looks professional. The aftertaste really good.
Oh, yes! Hell yeah!
This is strong pasta!
You did it, dude. Y'all did it.
I have to try it. We did it!
We just made pasta.
We just made pasta.
Oh my god. This pasta was amazing.
It was great.
This was great.
Drunk
Get
kitchen.
drunk, make pasta with your best friends.
It was
So,
great.
this has been another episode of IndiCon Kitchen.
Hi, I'm Eve.
I'm Nelson, Eve's been here, and we made fucking pasta from scratch.
If we can do it, you can do it. Go buy yourself a pasta cookbook and make yourself some pasta from scratch.
Because anybody and everybody can cook. Cheers, friends. You'll see me next time. That's a wrap, folks! Let's fucking go! Let's eat some pasta!
Do you want to try this pasta?
Fucking everybody get a goddamn bowl. Let's eat some